Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. This is TCL's SOCL 500 TWS. These are true wireless earbuds that are $80. So we're not looking at something really radically extreme here. We're just looking at seeing if this will nail the basics. So battery life is 26 hours, including the case, water resistance, Bluetooth calls, and basically the basics you expect. You can see they're pretty small. The case looks pretty small as well. There's some writing on the sides, on both sides. Tells you what is going on here. And then in the back, you've got some more stuff. The case, one of the earbuds, tells you some of the details here. So these just came out and TCL sent them to me. They wanted me to take a look. So let's have a look, shall we? Here we go. As you can see, the packaging is pretty cheap. So nothing else in here. Here we've got the cable, which is USB Type-C. That's already very exciting. So USB-C to A cable included in the box. We have the actual earbuds. Here is one. You can see what they look like. They have a little TCL button on them and some ports and charging things and little silicone replacement tips. So there's going to be some passive noise cancellation here, even though this is obviously not active noise cancellation. You don't really expect that, right? And then here's the other one, but there it is. And then the case here, I'm just going to pop it out from the bottom like that. And that, as you can see, is a pretty standard case. It's not too big, right? Like it's a bit bigger, maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch on each direction bigger, about 5-7 millimeters bigger on each direction than the standard AirPod case. So there you go. There's a button here for battery level. And I love that it's translucent. That's really cool. Let's put them in there and see what happens. So here's one. And then they light up. And here's the other. And it lights up. There we go. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a little Android with its eyes lighting up. That's very cute. You see that? And of course you've got some of these replacement small and large silicone tips. Then there's documentation. There is something here that says amendments to quick start guide. I guess that was just produced. Here is important hearing safety. So it's probably safety information. And then finally we've got, hi, let's get started. TCL SOCL 500 TWS. What a mouthful. And there you go. It tells you how to pair everything. It's pretty straightforward. Pretty much what you'd expect from true wireless earbuds in this day and age. So what are they like? Well, what I found is that they are comfortable and they sound good. When I say they sound good, I'm a bit of an audiophile. I do not like bass-heavy earbuds or headphones. I like a very neutral sounding experience. And these deliver. They have a very neutral sound delivery, good bass, very good high mid delivery, which I was really surprised by. For the money, to me, these sound really nice. Now, you know, they're not like amazing because at 80 bucks, what do you expect? But frankly, I think they're better than AirPods, and they're certainly better than a lot of the more expensive true wireless earbuds I've listened to, which tend to be way too bass heavy. So that's my takeaway. I'm not going to bore you with much more. These TCL earbuds, for the money, I think are a great deal because they sound decent, they're comfortable, they're small, and battery life's been pretty good. I haven't really tested them long enough to know. The case is small, there is good ergonomics, no fancy apps or anything to install to worry about. This is basic stuff. These are the TCL SOCL 500 TWS. Just came out and I wanted to share with you, so please subscribe. Like this video, tell your friends, click the little notification bell below, comment below. And of course, remember, this is a compliment to the podcast, Mobile Tech Podcast. That's where you're going to be hearing more about these if I play with them some more. So subscribe to the podcast. We're on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Pocket Casts, and Spotify even. And please rate the podcast there and write a review. I'd appreciate that. That's it, folks. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and other videos. Cheers, everybody.